If you're not owning something, you're being owned. That's the game the top 1% understand. And most people never even realize they're playing. You could work 40 years, follow all the rules, and still retire broke. But if you learn how to manage money like the 1%, you can build real wealth on any income. This isn't about budgeting apps or giving up coffee. This is about thinking differently, like the rich do. The system is designed to keep you working, just hard enough to survive, but never enough to escape. You work, get paid, spend, then you wait for the next payday. And repeat. And what do most people spend money on? Stuff that makes them look rich. Cars, clothes, takeout, but keeps them poor. The top 1% don't just earn more. They manage differently. They have rules. And the biggest one is this: own more assets. Because assets work when you don't. And ownership is the only way to escape the treadmill. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. They don't save because they never set limits. They don't invest because no one showed them how. They think freedom comes from earning more. But all they do is increase their lifestyle, not their wealth. You know what that creates? A six-figure salary and zero net worth. A new car and crushing monthly payments. An Instagram life and a quietly broke reality. Wealth isn't loud. It's not what you show. It's what you own. So here's what the 1% actually do. They follow rules, not budgets. Rules. Rules like the 25-15-50-10 system. It's flexible. It adapts. And it works at any income level. $1,000 or $100,000 a month. 25%. Growth. This is your wealth engine. You put 25% of every dollar into things that grow in value. Index funds, real estate, high-income skills, or online businesses. Assets that work while you sleep. Start small. Billy invested $200 a month starting at age 20. Phil waited until 30 and invested $300 a month. By retirement, Billy had $600 million, even though he invested less overall. That's the power of time plus compound growth. 15%. Stability. This is your emergency shield. It protects your growth. It keeps you in the game. Start by saving 5 months of core expenses. Store it in a high-yield savings account, not in stocks, crypto, or long-term bonds. When chaos hits, you don't panic, you pivot. This fund gives you peace of mind, and peace of mind is priceless. 50%. Essentials. This covers your life, rent, groceries, transport, basic insurance. Not gym memberships you don't use. Not Amazon subscriptions you forgot about. Not your daily $12 smoothie. Track your expenses. Trim the fat. Don't rely on willpower. Use systems. Ask yourself, is this essential or impulse? Brand or value? Will this improve my life or just impress strangers? This isn't about deprivation. It's about discipline. 10% joy. You need this because money isn't just for saving, it's for living. Spend 10% of your income guilt-free on what makes you feel alive. Weekend trips. A great dinner with friends. A thoughtful gift for your partner. A concert. A class. A memory. 92% of people overspend after a long savings sprint. Joy is a strategy, not a reward. This system works because it forces you to own your money before it owns you. Rich people? They don't rely on discipline. They automate. They protect their downside. They make money boring and results exciting. Start today. Open that investment account. Build that emergency buffer. Audit your essentials. Preload your joy jar. You don't need more income. You need more intention. Comment below, I own my money. Subscribe for weekly strategies to break the cycle. And share this with someone still trapped in the income illusion. Because when you own your money, you own your time. You own your choices. And you start building a life on your terms.